Hello, welcome to NAVIFORCE Watch unboxing review time. Here we will bring you it's a multifunctional men's watch. Let's open the box to have a look. The first we can get is a guarantee card. NAVIFORCE will provide you 1 year guarantee. And then it's a manual book. And we can see here is the models. Today I will show you it's the number NF9189. It's a multifunctional watch. Here we can see this watch we got 5 models. The normal mode, a stopwatch mode, learn mode, countdown mode, and dual time display mode. Okay, let's have a look at the watch. Here we can got the data of this model. And when we press this button, we can have a very bright light background right here. Okay, I will show you all the 5 modes. Let's have a look at the window on the 9 o'clock position here. Now is the 04. Here is the date window. And this is the second window. And this is the time and the hour and minute window. And this window we can see SUMO mid Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it's like this. And we can press this button to change into different mode. Now it's the normal mode. Press this button to SP. SP means the stopwatch mode. Now it's the AL. AL is the alarm clock mode. TR is the countdown mode. And T2 is the 2 times in different place mode, dual time display mode. And now we come back to the normal mode. Okay, and this watch is a little thick, the fitness, and it's a military designed watch. We got 2 layer the case. This bezel and the color black combine the silver color of the thick case. Then we can see the crown here will be the same color black, the same color as the bezel black. Also, the hour and minute hands, we have the luminous content on it. So whenever or everywhere you can read the time very clearly and easily. So bright the background light, isn't it? Later, if you want to know how to set the every single mode of this model, we have another video to teach you. Please subscribe us and follow the following videos. Now let's have a look at the band. This is the stainless steel band, and we have two kinds of the patterns and the smooth band combined. And this buckle, 2 steps can open this buckle. This is very safety and easy to operate this buckle. The first step, open it and press the button here to open the watch. It's a very big and cool men's watch. Okay. We have different colors combined of the bezel and the case, so we make it into six different colors. Later I will show you. Hi guys, welcome back. Just now I have shown you this basic black combined silver color. Now here is the other 5 colors of this model. And we use these 2 models to combine to show you. This is on my left hand is a fully coffee one, and except the case is the rose gold color, and the dial is different color too. This 3 windows color dial is rose gold, and the one on my right hand, the dial windows is the silver color. And this band is 2 colors combined, the coffee and the silver color. And also, the crown here is the same color as the bezel. You can see here. And this case is coffee color combined the silver color. Okay, would like to try this color. Okay, would like to try this food coffee color. Wow, I think it's for the top guys. It's very cool. This is very heavy watch. I think for the cool guys, and for some if you like it looks more stronger, it's very beautiful this color. And press the button to turn on the light. So bright, isn't it? Okay, the next color is the blue one. Yes, this is the same 2 blue one watch. And the difference between them is the band color. This is the foot blue band. Then this is the blue combined the silver band. And they have the same color of bezel. And but the colors about the small windows, this is the rose gold and this is the silver one. But the crown is the same color. And the case color is different. On my left hand, the case color is rose gold. And on my right hand, the case color is silver. The band. Have a close to the camera. Yes, this one I would like to try. It's this 2 color combined. Okay, this one I want to try is this 2 color combined. It's also very nice, isn't it? And try the lights. Okay, the final color is the fraction one. Gold color combine the blue. Wow, it's amazing color. Have a close look at it. Okay, also I will try the light. Wow, so cool, really. Absolutely very bright. And open this buckle. It's a very nice gold color. In the back case, we can see can find the model number. Yes, here is this one. I can try this color. Okay, this is all for today. Which color is your favorite? And you can find all these colors in our official store. And this is all for today. If you want to know others models review, we will show you next time. And just let me know the models number you like. Okay, bye. See you next time.